N. Chandrika. I am studying in 8th class. I am from KGBV Molugu, Siddipet district. Now I am doing a beautiful lamp for Dasara and Diwali celebrations. For this, first we will need cards and some rubber pieces and some pins. Now attach 2 cards like this and put a pin between them. We should take 6 pentagons like this. These 6 pentagons we will attach together like this. Now I am attaching the pentagons together. Like this, attach the 6 pentagons corners.
Adding 6 pentagons, we get half of the lamp.
Like this, we will make 2 halves of the lamp. Now we will attach together by using pins and rubber pieces. Our lamp was ready. Now we will arrange a light in the middle of Icosidodecahedron. Finally, we are observing in this lamp 12 pentagons and 20 triangles.